Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to download and install Smart PLS 4 to Windows. So we are going to go to see the different licenses that are available for Smart PLS 4. So we have a student license which is free, and free trial 30 days, and professional license that is paid. So we are going to focus on the free trial license because you can make use of the software for 30 days, and it has all the features like different models of analysis. It does not have limitations of sample size of 100 cases, 100 respondents, as you can see for the student license. And it can enable, or it can be a good source to start with and to learn the software, but it expires within 30 days and there is no credit card required, which makes it actually worth trying. So I will be sharing with you, so I'm going to share with you this website, which is Smart PLS download. You are going to choose which operating system that you have, Microsoft or Mac or Linux, etc. And then you click download installer. Then it will start downloading. After it downloads, you can simply right click and install the software. So it will prompt you to choose different licenses. Of course, you can choose the free trial, because the others are as follows. There is this the student license for solo students working on their small projects, which we saw. Professional seat license, this is per year. The professional flooring license, this is again per year. And enterprise package, this is again for a year. So to start with, you just start with the free trial, because it allows all these features. It allows the imports from CSV or comma separated files on Excel, SPSS, etc. Even if you have files on AMOS, you can import them into Smart PLS. There are no limits. We have data size limitations, import raw data, import covariance matrix. They have data output like save reports, internal format, so it can allow you to do that. Export reports to Excel and HTML files. This is for reporting, which is very practical. The student license does not allow you to do that, which is very limited. And it is although lifetime, but still it's very limited. So you need to either copy by taking screenshots of the output so that you can use it in the reporting. Generate new data sets from results. Copy and paste results to Excel and Word. Export model graphic as PNG. So here you can take the model once you have it as PNG or as a picture, you put it in the reporting document you have. Compare report side by side. Model and report customization. Customize graphical models in terms of colors, borders, fonts, etc. Customize and export charts. PLSM algorithms, bootstrapping. This is for structure equation modeling. Confirmatory composite analysis CCA, confirmatory tetrad analysis in PLS CTA, PLS, cross-validated predictive ability test. Again, this is available here and here, but not in the student license. Discriminant validity assessment and heterotrait monotrate ratio of correlations. These are for validity with the measurement model. Endogeneity and Gaussian copula for bias and the data. So it's available in the free license, the professional license, etc., but not the student license. Goodness of fit like RMCA, root mean square of error approximation, GFI, chi-square by degrees of freedom. So for the goodness of fit of confirmatory factor analysis, it's available in the trial, the professional license, but not the student license. Higher order constructs in case you are using first order, second order, third order, reflective, formative models, etc. So cannot be done on student license. Importance performance map analysis, measurement invariance assessment, mediation, moderation, multi-group analysis or MGA, nonlinear relationships, PLSR prediction oriented segmentation, PLSM algorithm, PLS predict permutation for missing data treatment, etc. Prediction oriented model selection again. Weighted PLSM algorithm, regression path analysis and process. We have logistic regression, necessary condition analysis, NCA, path analysis and process, bootstrapping. Regression is enabled on the student license, and regression bootstrapping. CFA and CBSM. So the covariance-based structure equation modeling, CBSEM, CBSEM bootstrapping, confirmatory factor analysis, CFA, CBSEM model comparison, CBSEM multi-group analysis, CBSEM measurement invariance assessment, CBSEM moderator analysis. Consistent PLC, PLSCM, which is consistent bootstrapping, consistent multi-group analysis, consistent PLSM, etc. Plus, we have personal Skype support for 8 hours for the professional license. But anyways,